Hello student, I Dr. R.D. Patil, Head Department of Zoology, Vasantaraw Naik Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shada. Dear friends of the TY-based students, we already discussed your Zoo 506A Pest Management course, Unit 3. We already discussed the one point. In Unit 3, name is the unit is the control measures. In this Unit 3, there are some 4 topics are included. First 3.1 is the uh, primary control measures. In this primary control measures, in first lecture we already discussed the all kinds of the primary methods of pest controlling in pest management. We discuss today. We discuss about the subtopic of the unit 3. 3.2 is the chemical control and their types. In this control measures we already discussed in briefly. Any kind of the pest control is a regulation or management of the pests defined as a pest of member of the animal kingdom that impacts adversely effects on human beings and domesticated animals. The control of the pest population is most important as concept to get the extra benefits of the farmer and give the extra income as your economic crop, that is a banana, cotton and sugarcane. So pest control is essential for the well-being of human health and ecology. Damage caused by the pest can also affect the economy, considering how dangerous these species are for housing, properties and agriculture. In this point of view, the chemical control measures is most essential because the chemical control in the conventional sense involves the use of chemicals to kill insect pests. However, in recent years, many discoveries have been made of substances that influence insect behavior. For example, chemical which attract the pest or repel or produce some other effects such as sterility without killing the insects. So, in chemical control measures, in introduction point of view, pest control refers to the regulation for management of pests defined as the pest usually because it is a pursued to determine detrimental to a person's health, the ecology or economy. The principal objective of the pest control is to protect crops by maintaining attack of the pest and disease at an acceptable level. There are various methods of pest control. These are basically non-chemical methods and chemical methods. Out of this, in your chemical methods is most important. Chemical pesticides are often used to control disease, pest or weeds. Chemical control is based on the substances that are toxic, poisonous, the pest involved. When chemical pesticides are applied to protect plants and pest disease or outgrowth by weeds, by speak of plants protection products, means in this particular methods or chemical control methods, the different kinds of the chemicals which are used for the killing the insect pests. Such type of substances can be used in pest management, which provides help to solve pest problems. Thus, chemical control means the use of chemicals to kill, deter, or the other ways influence pests for control purposes. The substances which kill the insects due to their properties of chemical actions are termed as insecticides. We have specifically the insecticide or pesticides. The insecticide are those chemicals which kill the insects. It is called insecticide, or pesticides are the particular chemicals which are kill the specific of the pest. It is called pesticides. Many factors like phytotoxicity, effect of pesticides on animal, pollution effect, and degree of persistence of the residues of chemical on the crops have considered while selecting any chemical for use. So, in a chemical point of view, the chemical controls is the most important to use as a pest control, pursued to be detrimental to a person health the ecology or the economy. Various methods of the pest control, non-chemical methods and chemical methods, which are directly indirectly used to controlling the pest population. The farmer use different uh, type of the chemical companies to use to conducting the control the pest population in the field is most important. So the chemical control methods is a fast or directly to easy control of the pest population. So many more farmers are use these methods are also utilization to yielding the higher crop of the economic plants. So we first known about the what is the chemical control of the pest. In simple way, we already discussed about the pest control using the chemical pesticides. Pesticide is a chemical used to prevent, destroy, or repel pest, combat pest and disease occurring on our crops, livestock, and our possessions. Means the different kinds of chemicals will directly or indirectly to kill the insects due to their properties of the chemical action. So this is called as a chemical control. Insect, we are according to the specific view to kill the insect pest or controlling the insect pest of the farmer. Different kinds of the pesticides or insecticides used according to your effects. The insecticides are classified. So classification of insecticides as related. So the insecticides can be classified according to the nature of their penetration and mode of entry. It is called action in the insect body into following types. So these chemicals or insecticides are four types, that is stomach poison, contact poison, systemic poisons, and fumigants. There are the four important uh, insecticides or types are used to controlling the pest population as well as the excess destroy the economic crop. So in this point of view, the classification of pesticides are two types. First, small a is the sphere of activity. They are classified according to target organism. In this sphere of activity is acaricides used to control ticks and mites. Example, carbochlols, sanguinarine, carbamethylene, or armite, etc. are used as acaricides as particularly to control the ticks and mites. Next, the insecticides are used to control the insects. Example is carbofuran, nicotine, endrin. These chemicals are used to control the insects. It is called insecticides. So this is a specifically as a different chemicals factories or chemical industries to form by the pesticide factories are made by the acaricides, insecticides, and third one is the fungicides. Fungicides are used to control fungal disease in plants. Example, manab, carboxyon, calcium, polysulfides. These kinds of the fungicides are used to control the uh, specific fungus are develop on the plant's body. According to consensus, next third is the herbicides used to control the weeds. That is also many more weedicides. Next, nematocides, chemicals used to control nematocides. Next, rodenticides, chemicals used to rats. Example is coumarin, uh, chemofurel, warfarin. This type of the chemicals are used to controlling the rodenticides. Next is important to use as also as a insecticides. Insecticide can be classified according to nature of their penetration to mode of interaction in the insect body for following types. So in these methods we are used to action particular chemicals are used to depending your mode of entry or action. First is the stomach poison. Stomach poisons are mainly to this type of the pesticide in stomach poison or is the pesticides or insecticides the pesticides or insecticides enter in the body of pest through mouth along with food material and get absorbed mainly in the wall of stomach, and effects are called as a stomach poison. This already we have discussed in the next slides. This is a stomach poison. The pesticides or insecticide enter the body of pest through mouth along with food material and get absorbed mainly in the wall of stomach and affect or called as stomach poison. Example is the we use as a lead arsenate and Paris green. So this is a three or two pesticides are used. Paris green. So this is a specifically this stomach poison are generally acting directly on cells of alimentary canal or after absorption pesticide. Therefore, the function of vital organs or system through hemolymph of the pest. Stomach poison are usually applying on plants or other things on which pests are feeding. These are applying against insect possessing chewing type of mouth parts, but they are also used for insects with sponging, siphoning, or lapping sucking mouth parts under certain conditions. Some of the important stomach poisons are the lead arsenates. It is discovered in 1892 in the USA, this lead arsenate, and first used as insecticide to control the gypsy moth. It is a two forms, acid arthrosinate and basic arthroarsenates. These are two types of the arsenates are used in toxicity results as a disintegrants of the mid gut epithelial cells of this type of the lead arsenate. Second is the Paris green. This is a copper acetoarsenate used first in USA in 1865 as a stomach poison for the control of Colorado potato beetles. This is used as a into the gypsy moth, and this is the Colorado potato beetles, and specifically use the Paris green. It is brilliant green powder and soluble in water. It is very expensive due to copper. It show high phytotoxicity property. It is mostly used in poison beds against pests having chewing type of the mouth parts. So the specifically insects has a different type of the mouth parts. According to the food feeding mechanism, the insects, the mouth parts are different. So the particular type of the mouth parts also attacking and also feeding in any kinds of the plant's body. At this time, your proper infection as well as effects is most important. So these Paris greens having chewing type of the mouth parts, which are the particular food materials are get by the pest and cutting the food material in the different smaller forms. This type of the mouth parts are present, especially in the grasshoppers as well as beetles to manipulate or cutting the plant parts. Second poison is the contact poison. So depending your names, contact mean as मराठीत आपण पर्श म्हणतो. स्टमक मध्ये जे नावावरून आपण बघितलं की प्रत्यक्ष स्टमकच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये एखाद्या पेजच्या बॉडीमध्ये जाणं त्या टायमाला तो इफेक्ट करू शकतो. जे आपण बघितलं अगोदरचं ते त्याच्या नावावरून आहे. दिस इज अ स्टमक. स्टमक इज द पर्टिक्युलर पार्ट्स ऑफ द एलिमेंटरी कॅनल आणि अन्ननलिकेतला पार्ट असल्यामुळे कुठलाही इन्सेक्ट प्रत्यक्ष जेव्हा या प्रकारचं पेस्टिसाइड एनगल्फिंग करेल, जेव्हा बॉडीमध्ये आत एलिमेंटरी कॅनलची कॉन्टॅक्ट येईल त्यावेळेसच हा या प्रकारचं इन्सेक्टिसाइड इफेक्ट होऊ शकतं. आणि सेकंड जे याचे नाव आहे जे त्याच्यावर आपल्याला कळतं कॉन्टॅक्ट पॉइझन. इट इज ऑल्सो any kinds of insects has really or originally to contact as a specific of the pesticide. These are the chemicals which kill the pest when it comes in contact. It is the most important meanings. Comes in contact and get absorbed generally body surface are called as contact poison, or the toxic chemicals which kill the insects by single contact or touch is termed as a contact poison. In this type of the poisons, the contact poisons are sting or dusting form. These are act by direct penetration through the parts of the body wall into the blood, acting as general poison or nerve poison. They are highly lipophilic or easily absorbed by the lipid present in the epicuticle or exocuticle. Contact poisons are naturally occurring compounds like nicotine, pyrethrum, and routine or synthetic compounds like BHC, DDT, and parathion, or mixture of compounds from one or both groups. These are soluble in plant and insect oils or animal fats. Some of the important contact poisons are, the example is first is a benzene hexachloride. This is a, in a short, it is called the BSC. It is also called as a hexachlorocyclohexane, HCH in capital. It is produced by benzene in presence of sunlight. About 30 possible isomers found in varying properties in BSC. The gamma isomer is most active as insecticide. The gamma isomer comprises about 12.5% of crude BSC. The crude product consists of 10 to 15% of active gamma isomer and 4 inactive stereoisomers are used in your benzene hexachloride. The crude BSC is a grayish or brownish compounds sold and has a strong musty odor. BSC acts as a contact as well as stomach poison and also to some extent as a fumigants. So this is a simply to use and many more time as a base in villages farmer for the also acts as a in the from the dusting of the any kinds of the crops are also attacked by the pest. Second is a malathion. It is a light yellow. This second malathion. It is a light yellow, yellow or a dark brown liquid with a strong offensive odor. This type of it has very low solubility in water, slightly soluble in material mineral oils, and soluble in most organic events, especially for in your characteristic features to give by the soluble organic solvents. It is commonly used for the control of the wide variety of pests. It is applied for the control of mosquitoes, flies, bedbugs, aphids, plant bugs, caterpillars, household pests, and livestock pests like lice, philia, ticks, etc. It has a low phytotoxicity and the lowest to mammals as compared to other organophosphate. The technical grade material is 95 to 98% pure with unpleasant odor. So this is a mainly to use as a malathions. Next, third types of the poison is the systemic poison. These chemical which are absorbed first in the plant tissue and then enter the body of insect along the plant juice or cell sap sucked are called as systemic poison. So we already in your stomach poison, it directly enter to the any pest elemental parts and affects to creatine. Second is the contact poison is in your names according to really or in presence, contact or touch of the any kinds of the pest. At this time, this pest are effect. And third is the systemic poison. This type of the chemicals or poisons which are first absorbed by the spraying on the plants, and these plants body parts are absorbed. This systemic poison later on to feeding any kinds of the pest to plant parts and get to dead or get the severe effects. So this type of the pest which are mainly included by the thiamate or phorate. Next is the metacystox. So in the thiamates, this is the colorless clear mobile liquid containing 90% of the phorate. It is a less soluble in water but dissolve in many organic solvents, that is xylene, carbon tetrachloride, alcohol, and esters, and vegetable oils unstable in alkaline and humid condition. It changes into toxic compounds. It is extensively used for the control of sorghum, shoot fly, sucking insects of cotton, tobacco, gall misses of rice and vegetable, etc. This is a mostly used to the thiamate or phorate. Metacystoc Second systemic poison, the technical grade products is a mixture of thione and thioisomers. The thioisomer is a liquid with unpleasant odor and slightly soluble in water, while thioisomer is a liquid and more stable in water. Both isomers are highly soluble in organic solvents. Metacystox, after entering the plant body, is readily isomerized to thioisomer, which is further metabolized as it is organophosphorus compound. It is irreversible inhibitor of the we also directly or indirectly affects in neuromuscular system. So this is a systemic poison, first entering the plant body, later on the plant are eating by the pest, and then later to give the effects to direct kill or dead. Next, fourth is a fumigants. It is a names. It is a gaseous poison causing quick and effective death of the insects are called as the fumigants. The fumigants are the mixture of two or more gases formulated in the form of liquid under high pressure. Its application is limited to live plants or products in light enclosures. In fumigants are used as a vapor state to keep insect population under check in building storages, ship holds, and sometimes in the soil. Generally, fumigants are used in warehouses. We also in government's warehouses, godowns to controlling the store grain pest. In this fumigants, these are two examples of this type of the insecticides, that is carbon tetrachloride. This is a colorless liquid or gas with chloroform-like smell, insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvent, not inflammable or explosive. It has low insect toxicity. Commonly, it is used alone where fire hazards are acute or in small scale fumigation. But when used with carbon disulfide or ethylene dibromide is received, reduces fire hazards of the carbon tetrachloride. Is a specifically as a fumigants. Next is ethylene dichloride. It is a colorless, sweet smelling liquid miscible with organic solvent. It can be remain stable in water, alkalis and acids. It is highly inflammable with low mammalian toxicity and moderate insect toxicity. It is mainly used to control all types of store grain pest. It is commonly, this is a second ethylene dichloride, is commonly mixed with carbon tetrachloride and available in the market as ED or CT mixtures of 3:1 ratio proportion. EDCT is harmless to seeds, less toxic to man and other mammals. After the exposure of 24 hours, it kills the insects slowly. So this is a list of the fumigants are mostly used in a specific as a proper by the farmers. So in this way, this is the most important four insecticides are detailed study according to the mode of action on the insects. Next topic of this units is insecticidal formulation. So according to the simple few more classification method we already discussed. These are four types of the chemical methods. In next slides, this is the types of pesticide formulation. We have insecticide formulation and dilution. The insecticides are used in various formulation to achieve quick control of the pest. The common insecticide formulations are dust. Second is the granules, dust granules, emulsions, concentrate EC. Next is the florable. Next, wettable powders, so poison baits. It also has solutions, aerosols, fumigants, insecticide, fertilizer mixers. All kinds of different kinds of methods are used. In your dust, it is a mixture of 0.1 to 2 toxin and the rest of the insect carrier as a talc, gypsum, clay, floor, etc. Dust are used at dry areas against the pest. Second is wettable powder. According to the granules or wettable powders, powders are the prepared by mixing higher percentage of toxicant with little quantity of eating agents. Granules, these are similar to dust except for larger particle size. Emulsions, the insecticide is first dissolved in an organic solvent and at the time of application, it is mixed with water along some emulsifiers to ensure the stability of emulsion. Sometimes oil-soluble emulsifiers are used. Next is a solution. According to your names, many of the modern synthetic insecticides are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. These soluble insecticides in soluble forms are used directly for insect control. Next is the aerosol. The insecticide dissolved in a liquefied gas are kept under pressure in metallic container. On opening of the valve, the insecticide forcibly comes out and the very fine spray and fog is composed of liquid. So this is the aerosols. Fumigants, according to their fumigation, insecticides used in the gaseous form are known as a fumigation. Fumigants are most often formulated as liquids under pressure and are held in tanks. Insecticide fertilizer mixers. Insecticide fertilizer mixers may be formulated by adding granular insecticide to commercial fertilizer of the spraying insecticide directly on the fertilizer. Such mixers applied at the regular fertilizing time to provide both plant nutrient and control up to the insect pest. In your specifically as a chemical control method, chemical constituents, botanical compounds, synthetic organic compounds, this is also used to controlling as a pest population. Microbial compounds, growth regulator compound, synthetic pyrethrinides, or different kinds of chemicals are used to controlling the pest population. This is a types of pesticide formulation we already discussed. This is a all kinds of the methods or formulation to kill the insect pest. Next, to get by the before the drawbacks, we first to discuss about the discussion about the drawback of chemical control. Chemical control यांचा वापर व्यवस्थित आहे किंवा नाही त्याचे तोटे काय आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये आपण बघू शकतो. त्याच्यात पहिले एक resistance or tolerance to insecticides. In any kinds of the continuously use a particular type of the pesticides in the specific of the crop, this generation of the next pest, we also resistance or tolerance to insecticides. On the present day, about 102 species of livestock insect pests, 166 species of insects, and 19 species of ticks and mites become resistant to various insecticides. In the population even before the use of insecticide, both the kind of strains, one resistant and other susceptible to the insecticides. It is now well established though experiments that insecticides not induce mutation which confirm resistance. So this is a any kinds of the generation of the insect pest are evolved. We also resist the particular type of the pest. So this is called the resistance or tolerance to insecticide. Second is the adverse effects on agroecosystem. Different kinds of the pesticides also excess used in your farms at this time directly or indirectly effects on the agroecosystem. Pesticides are always applied on ecosystem and not to pest. Application of pesticide does not cause killing of the particular pest but also of these species which help to regulate the specific pest population density, parasites and predators due to mass killing of the pest population. The predator parasite still existing may migrate to other localities or undergoes starvation. In the absence of natural enemies and insecticidal application of small population of the pest surviving in the field increases rapidly with the development of resistance to the insecticides. So in this particular as a disturbance or adverse effects on agroecosystem is a particular type of the natural enemies are destroying or dead to excess use or spraying the pesticide. At this time, the natural ecosystem are disturbed. Any kinds of the components in the food chains or food webs we are disturbed or dead. At this time, the natural enemy are not controlling the any pest or any insect. We also increasing your environment or directly indirectly effects on the agroecosystem. And third is the adverse effects on human hygiene. Any kinds of the excess table chlorinated compounds and their metabolites usually gets stored in the uh, fatty tissues of human body and other mammals. DDT and BSC on longer use exposure may cause a number of liver disorder among the workers. DDT is carcinogenic and mutagenic in the man. Alkylating agents can produce dominating lethal, causing death of embryo, sterility or semi-sterility of the offspring. The level of DDT in the human fat of Indian is higher than any other country in the world. It is 8.72 ppm in male and 5.97 ppm in female. All insecticides may create acute and chronic poisoning in man, other domestic and wildlife. They cause widespread deaths of fish, commonly in rivers and estuaries, particularly LC50 for 48 hours exposure to DDT for the fish, Mugil chroma. The organophosphorus compounds are less toxic to fish than the chlorinated hydrocarbons. According to your particular effects or adverse effects on human hygiene, the specific type of excess exposure or excess use of the pesticide in the farm is directly or indirectly effects on the human health, as well as any kinds of the secondary groups of the vertebrate chordates. Also directly erosion of the pesticides on the soil, which are also collecting in the rivers or seas, in a directly indirectly effect on the aquatic ecosystem. So many more fishes are dead or directly effects of the poisonous on the uh, aquatic ecosystem. So dear friends, in this way, that is this is a advantages or chemical control, or as a to use the drawbacks of the chemical control. We already discussed in a simple way. Advantages point of view, chemical control is a cost effectiveness, timeless and flexibility, quality, quantity, price, produce and prevention of problem is a easily to access or strongly effects on controlling the pest population in your advantages point of view. In disadvantage point of view, reduction or beneficial species, non-target organism, including predator and parasite of the pest. We directly discuss about the adverse effects on the agro ecosystem. Drip top sprays and vapor during application can cause severe damage and residue problem of in crop. Residues of food or human uh, and feed for livestock. Groundwater contamination by leached chemicals. Resistance to the pesticide used can develop the target pest due to overuse and incorrect use of the chemical. Poisoning hazards and other health effects. This is directly or directly effects we are related to the adverse effects on human hygiene. So in this way, dear friends, in these units, these 2.3 sorry 2.2 3.2 points chemical controls and their types are completed. In next lectures, biological control and their types are discussed. Dear friends, any difficulty may ask me telephonic as well as in concept for the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.